In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage resource conflicts in Smartsheet. We'll walk through a simple but powerful setup that lets you assign people to tasks in a structured way, which is the foundation for spotting and resolving resource conflicts. Even though the steps are short, I'll explain why each one matters so you can apply this in your own projects with confidence. First, open Smartsheet and select the sheet where you're tracking your project work. This might be a project plan, a task list, or any sheet where you want to assign work to specific people. It's important to choose a sheet that already has your tasks, dates, and other key information laid out, because what we're doing now is adding a structured way to track who is responsible for each item. Once your sheet is open, move to the top of your columns and look for the small plus sign that lets you add a new column. Click on that plus sign. Adding a dedicated column for assignments is essential because it separates who is doing the work from all your other task details, making it much easier to see when someone is overloaded. After clicking the plus sign, Smartsheet will show you different column types you can create. From this list, choose the option called Contact List. This step is critical. A contact list column is different from a regular text column because it's designed to store people, their names, and in many cases their email addresses tied to your Smartsheet account. Using this type of column allows Smartsheet to recognize that these entries are actual people, which is what you need for resource management and conflict detection later on. With Contact List selected, confirm your choice by clicking on Apply. When you do this, Smartsheet will add the new contact column to your sheet. You can rename the column to something meaningful, like Assigned to or Owner, so everyone on your team understands its purpose at a glance. From here, you can begin assigning tasks to people by choosing their names from the drop-down in each row. As you fill this in across your sheet, you're building the data Smartsheet needs to help you identify resource conflicts, such as when one person has too many tasks at the same time. And that's it for this setup. By adding and configuring a contact list column correctly, you're laying the groundwork for smarter resource management and clearer visibility into who is